let us solve this problem. Like I said before, these lecture videos are not a replacement for the notes posted in Canvas. So make sure you read the notes carefully and follow the links before you can be able to come back and watch these videos. So in order to help us understand the transformations of carboxylic acids and the derivatives, we can cleave this portion through there, and that will help us to install a carboxylic acid first, and then we can play around with it. So the strategy would be to form and then transform that into carboxylic acid. And here we can use a Friedel-Crafts alkylation. That is, if we use CH3Cl together with AlCl3, and then here we can do oxidation. Then we can transform this using SOCl2 and pyridine to generate an acid halide, which can undergo amination to form primary amide. And with primary amide, we can also be able to transform them into a nitrile. And then we can use lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of water to get our product, which is NH2. Okay.